I'm Chief Meteorologist Marcus Bailey. Thanks for checking out this weather webcast on this very stormy Thursday, although things are now starting to settle down across the region. We'll start you off, as we always do, with a live look at our Farmers Insurance cam looking downtown, where we're starting to see some breaks in the clouds. Not a lot, but at least a little bit. It's a more improvement out towards Galesburg. We're seeing some sunshine and finally partly cloudy skies. Note the flag off in the distance there. That is the wind shifting. They're back to the north now, north and west, so that front has moved through, at least for the western half of our area. Pontiac, it's still rather gloomy. You will be at least for the next couple of hours. Eventually, though, front will completely move on through. Here's those storms that moved through. Not a lot of damage, decent amount of rain, a little bit of hail as well, a lot of vivid lightning. There were some power outages reported, but now, as we record this a little bit later today, about 4:40 in the afternoon, everything is nice and quiet across the region. Very strong storms now moving into east central Illinois and southeastern Illinois. In fact, a few tornado warnings just west of Terre Haute in Indiana as that line continues to push down to the south. And it's going to be a rough night for southwestern Indiana, it looks like. But for us, there's not much. We may get a stray sprinkle here or there. I think we're really going to be on the drier end of things. I'm not anticipating really any more rain. Speaking of rain, how much did we see today? Hey, it was nice to see the rain despite the severe weather at times. Officially at the Peoria International Airport, just over an inch. Over the Central Illinois Regional Airport, about a little over an inch and a half. These are estimated X-Vision totals. Some areas picking up 2 inches of rain. So definitely some good rain across the region. Here's some of the viewer pictures that were sent in. This is courtesy of our news partners, WJBC AM and FM, over in the Twin Cities, of those storm clouds rolling in. And this is from one of my Twitter followers, at JSV0ICE. This was in Peoria, of the leading edge of the storms moving in earlier on in the morning. So pretty impressive, to say the least. Temperatures, mid-70s, pretty much area-wide. Still a little bit cooler over in the Twin Cities. You get a little bit of sunshine, you might sneak up to near 70. Otherwise, we're going to start cooling down pretty quickly. Those winds are now screaming out of the north and west of the Illinois River. Still calm along the I-55 corridor. The cold front is pretty much on your doorstep this evening. All right, Chiefs forecast. Should be a nice night for baseball. Hopefully they dried those seats off for you, though, if you're going to be heading down there. 71 first pitch, 65 at the end of the game. Futurecast is picking up on, you see some stagnant cloud cover there, especially along the river valleys through the overnight. That could be some fog that will develop as we head through the overnight tonight. So do be advised of that. We may have a bit of patchy fog for some of the areas that picked up rain. Lows in the mid-50s area-wide. 54 Galesburg and 55 in Bloomington. Friday looks to be pretty nice. Mostly sunny skies. Boy, we're going to scale those temperatures back about 10 degrees below average, though. 65 around 9 o'clock, 70 at lunchtime, and 75 for our afternoon high here in Peoria. 76 in Bloomington and 75 in Galesburg. Tomorrow night, actually, lows could sneak into the upper 40s in some locations with clearing skies. And heading into our Saturday, we'll call it mostly sunny early, partly cloudy late. Should be a really nice weekend. 76 on Saturday and 78 on Sunday. Of course, we'll have updates on our blog, also on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. And if you're local to us, we invite you to join us for WMBD 31 News at 5, 6, and 10. I'm Chief Meteorologist Marcus Bailey. Have a great Thursday evening.